Shirley invited Amber Portwood over to see their daughter, Leah, during the October 5th episode of Teen Mom OG. Amber Portwood took a major step towards repairing her relationship with 12-year-old daughter Leah during the October 5th episode of Teen Mom OG. Following a months-long separation between Amber and Leah, Amber's ex, Shirley, decided to be the bigger person and invite Amber over for a little family get-together. He said that despite how badly Amber had talked about his wife, Kristina, he wanted everyone to get along, especially so Leah could have some sort of relationship with her half-brother, James, whom Amber shares with her ex, Glennon. So Amber went over, but she later told her mom that it was a little awkward for Leah with her being there. However, she believes that with time, it'll be a little better. She told Leah that it's okay for her to hate her now because she believes they'll be best friends in the future. Amber thinks that with time, everything will be fine. Meanwhile, Caitlin Lowe took her microblading career to the next level and started taking on clients. She feared that she wouldn't have any clients, but once she posted an ad on Instagram, she got bombarded with messages. And she even fixed some eyebrows on a woman who was attacked by a blowtorch. The woman gave her positive feedback, so Caitlin felt inspired to keep the momentum of this new career going, at least until she gives birth. Later, Mackenzie McKee contemplated if Bronx should repeat pre-kindergarten. The school recommended that he do so Mackenzie asked for help from his therapist. But even when the therapist told her that it might be a good idea to hold him back, simply because he's young for the age group in his current grade level, Mackenzie wasn't sold on the idea. She said he's too young for them to be making a decision like that. Also, Maisie Bookout and husband Taylor McKinney divided their time between the kids' sports games, but Maisie felt left out when it came to spending time with Bentley. And after not being able to go to any prenatal appointments, Cheyenne Floyd surprised Zach Davis and her family with a 4D ultrasound. Want more drama? New episodes of Teen Mom OG air Tuesdays at 8 p.m. on MTV.